Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your address on Citizens Bank. Open the website, then click Login. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Login. Now, log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Service Center. Under Manage Preferences, you will see an option for Change Address. Click on Change Address. Now, you will see a button that says Change Physical Address. Click on Change Physical Address. Now, to change your physical address, you have to enter the new address that you will use. To enter your new address, type it in the corresponding boxes. After entering, click on the tick box beside the account for which you want your physical address to be your mailing address, or you could either click on Select All Accounts to choose them all. After that, click on Submit Address. That's how you change your address on Citizens Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.